Hey everybody, I'm Joe Hewes and I'm at the Hewes Mausoleum here at Riverside Cemetery in Farmington, Connecticut. Just wanted to give you all a quick update. You may have heard from my brother Mike that we have full funding for the work to begin, and it's scheduled to begin in a little less than 3 weeks, August 17th. It's here July 31st today. And I am so thankful for all of you who donated and made this possible. We're going to replace probably 200 or more bricks, all these broken bricks that you see. There's openings up in the roof where there's water getting in and around on the top. So the idea is to stop the water coming in, and once that's done, these doors can be reset and they will actually close. That's why there's a lock and chain on there now, because those doors will not close all the way. And so we'll actually be able to put a lock and a key so that the room will be secure. And again, I just want to thank all of those who donated. I have no idea who donated or how much. It was all kept in confidence. My brother Mike was handling that. Thank you so much, Mike, for the work that you did, both with the finances and negotiating with the contractor. It is not too late to contribute to this memorial to the Hewes family. Apparently there was a donor who filled in the gap, so to speak, but anything that comes in between now and completion will reduce the amount that they have to make up. So they were very generous, as was everybody who gave, and I would just encourage you, whatever you can give. If you are a descendant of Thomas and Genevieve Chase Hewes, this is a memorial to your family. There is room here for either urns or crypts if you were so inclined, but any amount would be very much appreciated. We're looking forward to having this restored, waterproof, secure, and ready for generations to come. So thank you very much, and I'll be giving you updates during the construction as best I can. Thank you. God bless.